Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank my sir, Mr. Jatinder Sharma, who has given me this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. It's my immense pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Anish Kumar. I'm from Yamunanagar and I'm an engineering student. Apart from my engineering, I'm enhancing my communication skills from AI English language. And today I'm here to speak about my city. So here I go. I belong to twin city of Haryana, that is Yamunanagar Jagadri. It is one of the famous and renowned city of the state Haryana. It is famous for producing the finest quality timber across the world. It is located in the southeast of its state and its capital is Chandigarh, which is one of the union territory of India, which is also known as the city beautiful. These languages that are spoken in Yamunanagar are Hindi, Punjabi and the Haryanvi. Now I would tell you about its history of Yamunanagar. The older name of Yamunanagar was Abdullahpur. Before partition there were only 6,000 people residing in it, but after the partition more and more people came from Pakistan and therefore the name changed to as the Jamnanagar, but as the river Yamuna flows here, so the name got as the Yamunanagar. Currently, the population that is residing in Yamunanagar is around 2.16 lakh, out of which only 1.64 lakh persons are literate here. As I said in my above words, that Yamunanagar is famous for producing the finest quality timber, so it is one of the industrial city of its state. Therefore, it has the many plywood industries. The most recent one is the Deen Bandhu Sir Chotu Ram Thermal Power Station, and it has the one railway repair workshop. The famous of all is the Blaipur Industries Limited, that is the Built Industries, which is famous for producing the highest quality paper, which is spread all over the India for printing as well as for the writing. Therefore, the Yamunanagar has given many employment to the people and thus happiness in their life. Apart from all this, in the section of Haryana, there are many steel factories that manufacture the cheap and best utensils. People from all over the India come to the Jagadri to buy the utensils. Now I would like to tell the education sector in Yamunanagar. There are many schools in Yamunanagar. The most famous of all are the St. Thomas Public School, Sanishal Public School, Sacred Heart Convent and the Springfield School. These schools have given their students an excellent education for their bright future. In addition to it, there are many colleges in Yamunanagar. The most famous of all for the engineering section is the Seth Jayaprakash Mukhandlal College, which is there in the Radhaur village. Also for the commerce and arts stream, the most famous colleges are the MLN group, which consists of the MLN National College and as well as the Tilak Raj College and DAV College for the commerce students. These colleges have given their students a better type of education so that they can fulfill their dreams and achieve success in their life. Now I would like to tell about the agriculture. We know that Yamunanagar is a part of Haryana and Punjab and Haryana are regarded as the most agricultural states in India. Therefore, the people here possesses the warm climate. It has a fertile soil as it is located on the Shivalik hills. There is abundant presence of water, so the farmer here mostly grows the sugarcane, wheat, rice and the garlic. Talking about the tourism, a city is only famous by its tourism itself, so there are many spots in India which can be seen throughout the India. The most famous one are the Kapal Mochan, which is there in the Bilaspur village. The second one is the Gurdwara Budia Sahib in the Budia village and the recently opened Opal Universal Mall, and the fourth one is the Chitta Mandir or the Hanumanji Mandir. For the entertainment point of view, there are two multiplexes. The first one is the Carnival Cinemas or the Glitz Cinemas in the Opal Universal Mall, and the second one is the Dimple Cinemas. In comparison to all the cities that are there in Haryana, all the branded showrooms of clothes like the Woodland, Adidas and etc. are there in Yamunanagar, and with respect to automobile sections, all the showrooms like the Bajaj, Nexa, Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai are there in Yamunanagar itself. To reach Yamunanagar, it has best connectivity towards the railway section as well as towards the bus section also. For the railway section, there is one railway station which is known as the Yamunanagar Jagadri railway station, which possesses the connectivity from Jammu Tawi, Amritsar till the Kolkata. And towards the bus connectivity, the roads condition are excellent and therefore it has the connectivity towards the Rohtak, Panipat, Kurukshetra, Chandigarh and Panchkula. Also, Yamunanagar lies at the boundary of Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It has the road connectivity towards the Uttar Pradesh section also. Last but not least, our Chief Minister is emphasizing more and more projects on the development of the cities of Haryana, and I am sure that in the upcoming years Yamunanagar will become the best city in Haryana. Thank you. To enhance your knowledge and English, please subscribe, like, share and comment to our video. Thank you.